Let's get the update.
Oh, Tim from Olsen Motorsports. I have a hole in my shirt right now because we are working. You're never gonna see me this dirty on our new shop. So Justin's gonna turn the camera around, and this side is done. The other side's a complete disaster, which we'll get to in just a second. But this is gonna be our dry ice blasting bay here. We have retractable curtains that will come all the way across, create an L here, ventilated, and we have our cold jet PCX 60. We're going to use this for dry ice blasting, which is like the new thing. So of course, at Olsen Motorsports, we're all about the new thing, so we had to buy one. Super excited about that. Hope we have to figure out how it works. And then over here we have our compressor. I don't want to talk about it. It was way too much money to spend just to make the dry ice machine work it. So it's going to cost a lot of money to get the product done, but it'll be amazing. And then over here we have ultrasonic cleaner. We have our wet blasters, just like we have in Chicago. And then in this corner here, there's going to be cabinets that come in like a U all the way around, which is going to be engine building, just like our Chicago store. We're going to do full service, air-cooled engine building. It's going to be awesome in this area here. Same, as always, amazing Olsen Motorsports built cars. And then down in this area, Justin, you were supposed to tell me to turn my phone off. Oh my God. Hey buddy, let me call you right back. All right. In this area over here, we have our detail center. So in the ground here, this is going to be all Swiss track flooring. From this area all the way over, we're going to put in-ground scissor lift in the ground, medium height, mid-rise for detailing, and then we'll have a wash bay. So it'll be a nice boom off of the wall, a wall-hung pressure washer, and that's going to complete this side. And then we'll walk over here.
So over here is going to be mostly kind of like detailing.
This is going to be the show.
The show.
Over there is going to be the go.
Okay.
You know, so
yeah.
Show and go. This is going to be the make it nice and pretty area. And then the office, which is a disaster, just like the Chicago store.
Hey, we keep it clean.
But then one thing it is, what is it, February 2nd?
Today's 3rd.
Today's February 3rd.
Oh,
And we're in shorts, and the sun's out. It's amazing. What a concept. So welcome to South sunny Florida. Over on this side, this is going to be the go. This is also going to be the go. This pallet rack in the store, all the customers' parts, you know, that stay here for years. We're going to have a lift here, a lift here, a lift here, and a lift there. So we're going to have 5 lifts total. We're going to have Modulines coming to the table with all of our storage solutions. So there's going to be a full lineup of Moduline cabinets over there. And then same thing over here. We'll have another wall of Moduline cabinets. Just they're all white, just like the engine room. A lift here, brand new, fully state of the art. Wheel and tire machine.
Let's look at this.
The wheel changer's COVID back order for another 2 weeks probably. So, but this is a John Beam alignment machine, in-ground alignment rack here, and then the balancer there, and the wheel changer will go there. So we are taking appointments. Hopefully that's somebody calling to make one right now. We're taking appointments for 2 weeks from now, which would be the 20th, 21st. Will be our appointment schedule.
So why is this alignment rack in ground?
Because all the Olsen spec cars that are slammed on the ground can get on it.
Okay.
And we don't burn the clutch. If you got a Carrera GT or something else, you don't burn the clutch coming up onto the above ground alignment rack.
Awesome.
So do it once right instead of twice wrong.
That's the Olsen way.
Yeah. But we'll check back. We'll check back for some more updates as soon as equipment's rolling in. Our cabinets are coming Monday. And next week is assemble, fine touches on the shop, and our grand opening is the 20th, so we got to be ready.
Sounds
It's gonna
good.
be awesome. Thank you.